What's up, folks? Honey's Morning Update. January 26th. Okay, so yesterday we had the opening right up here at 39. So this 40, 36, 40, even down to 30 here. 30 is going to be your over-under today, really. But this 40 level is huge, 40 to 45. All of this area right here, this traffic is important. We are above that now. We have numbers coming out at 8:30, so we'll see what that does. But as I said, we had consolidation up, then we had a ripper, just like back here, consolidation down, consolidation up, then a ripper up, consolidation, had a down, but it was like a JK, LOL, and then we went back up. So that 0363 is going to be something to watch. Your yearly POC and the 200-day are both at 39.69, another level to watch. And then that 45. So here's the 940 to 4040. Okay, it was the range I talked about yesterday. We pop above there, and then I think it's just going to be squeezy squeeze. And then we're going to see up to, above 4040. You have 4070, 4090, and then, it's pretty much clear sailing right up to that 4080. All those singles need to be cleaned up at some point. Now, I'm not saying that we do that. But at the same point, there was nothing bearish about yesterday. We came down, buyers came back. You had Tesla earnings, so they're up, $9 this morning. So as of now, I'm not exactly bearish, especially today. So if we open above that 40 level, that's going to be bullish. If we, because yesterday's high was 40. So that's going to be an important level. That's really what I'm watching. But the true over-under is 30. So that 30-40 level is basically all I'm watching today. Let's look at pivots. 40-11, okay. 40-60, 88, 36. These are okay today. I would definitely keep an eye on these because they've been holding. Here's your daily. We are above the trend line that everybody and their mother has. Yes, you're closing in on the gap on the 50 and the 200, so we'll see if that crosses. At some point, this is going to rug pull, but I don't think, as I said a few days ago, I don't think the shorts have seen enough pain yet. And once we establish above here, that's when they're going to start to puke. Anyway, and that's your 180. That's your ripper up. And then at that day, we upped and down, but there's a ton of stuff that needs to be fixed all the way up to 4180. So we could see that at some point. I'm not saying we see it today. That would be 140 points, but definitely a level. It's also, just about here's your 75, 80. So that level is going to be kind of important. Weekly, this trend line puts us about 160, 159. Yeah, so we could see that one as well. So I don't know, 150, 180 area, maybe a target for the upside before reversal, or we keep going and we see 3.5. I don't know how far this is going to go, but again, unless numbers were crazy today, I don't know. Here's your euro. Still won't die. At some point, this will. And until then, as I said before, until this cracks and starts heading lower, I can't be truly bearish on this right now. Apple's up pretty strong, pre-market, few bucks. So, again, they're above the trend line. We do have a cash gap at 4110, 4100. That's something I would watch today. I don't think we make it up to the 4200, 4228. Absolutely not. But this one is something to look at. You have some other tops in there too. So I would look for that cash gap, some sort of resistance on the upside. Again, that's if we rally. Here's your numbers today: jobless claims, continuous claims. GDP is going to be the big one. Durable goods, core, whatever. jobless claims employment hasn't been a big deal. So for a while. So it's going to not be a big deal until it is. It's going to be a big deal. So at some point, this is going to matter. I think most people are watching the GDP this morning. And then tomorrow you have your price core index. So we'll see that number as well. These are going to be two important numbers. And then UMich at 10. Although UMich last week didn't really do much. Pending home sales might disappoint. But I can't believe that keeps, kind of beating. Anyway, so there's some information. Luckily, it's all before open, so we have time for the market to digest it before we get in our trading day. Anyway, so that's short and sweet. That's all I'm seeing. And again, that 40 level is huge. So that's really what I'm watching today. Stay safe. I've got to do some things in the morning. I'll be back later in the afternoon. See profit. Take it. Don't stick around.